Hi guys. All right, so today I'm going to be covering lion's mane mushroom and how to select quality lion's mane mushroom. Okay, I'm starting to see lion's mane mushroom in a lot of products. It's becoming more mainstream, but if you're looking to use it for medicinal health benefits, I want to make sure you know how to select quality lion's mane mushroom. This is going to be episode 1 of maybe about 3 different IGTV episodes, only because there's so much to cover about lion's mane mushroom. How do I know so much about this mushroom? I had to learn. I had to learn and do so much research because I really wanted to help my mom with her traumatic brain injury. Obviously, you don't have to have traumatic brain injury to benefit from lion's mane mushroom. It is great for the brain health. It helps to regenerate and regrow neurons in the brain. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and read off straight from my ebook that I wrote titled No Brainer. I wrote this for people with traumatic brain injuries, but again, you don't have to have a brain injury to benefit from this. So let's get started. How to select quality lion's mane supplements, mushroom powder. I use powder for my mom, and I'll show you the exact product that I use at the end of this video. I've been using this company for 4 years. Quality mushroom. All right, so let's get started. Number 1, there cannot be enough exclamation marks for this statement. Only buy lion's mane mushroom that are made from the fruiting body of the mushroom. Okay, only buy lion's mane supplements that are made from the fruiting body of the mushroom, F-R-U-I-T-I-N-G, like the fruit of a tree. This is the actual mushroom. This is what's gold, okay? Number 2, next huge exclamation, do not buy products made from mycelium. I repeat, do not buy products made from mycelium, regardless of being labeled as full spectrum. Guys, I have seen so many lion's mane supplements labeled as full spectrum. It sounds wholesome, lovely, it sounds great, and they might even slap on the word organic. Don't buy it. It is crap. It's cheap mushroom. It's crap. Okay? You are not getting the actual fungal matter, which is the whole definition of what a mushroom is. I'm going to go into mycelium in my next episode on why that is and why you should avoid it. Number 3, contrary to most Chinese products, you definitely want to purchase lion's mane mushroom from China. All right, guys, I try to stay away from Chinese products as much as possible. I don't trust their products, the quality, but when it comes to lion's mane mushroom, I do purchase from China. Actually, I purchase through an American distributor or manufacturer that, obviously gets their mushroom from China or grows it there. All right. China produces 85% of the world's mushroom for a reason. China is the birthplace of mushroom cultivation and one of the only sources where you can secure pure organic mushroom extracts for supplement use. Unfortunately, the US lacks economic feasibility to grow mushrooms for supplements. Therefore, US companies resort to producing grain-based mycelium and not the actual mushroom fruit. This is the reason why you should not purchase US grown mycelium products despite full spectrum labels. You are not purchasing the actual mushroom. Guys, does that make sense? You want the actual mushroom because when the mycelium, the stalk of the mushroom, is grown on grain, it's going to soak up and drink nutrients from the grain. It is going to have grain components. Grain does not regenerate and grow neurons in your brain, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover what I'm gonna be covering in the next few episodes. So in my next episodes, I'm gonna be covering taking a look at mycelium and why it's a big fat no. And then how should lion's mane mushroom be grown? And guys, this is so important because I've seen it from different companies that have mycelium and they spin their stories to make it seem like it's, greenhouse and this and this and this and organic and we do this and this and this. It doesn't matter, guys. There's a specific way lion's mane mushroom should be grown so we can actually have medicinal properties that regrow neurons in the brain. Then I'm going to be covering hot water extraction versus dual extraction and which method will be best for your particular need. And then I'm going to go over the bottom line of lion's mane mushroom and also hot water extract. The dosage of lion's mane mushroom. So I'm going to be covering all of that. All right. Let me know what you think in the comment below, and then I hope this video kind of gives you an overview of the first major step in avoiding poor lion's mane mushroom, which is, guys, again, avoid mycelium and look for lion's mane mushroom from the fruiting body. That's what you want to look for. Okay, so I'm going to attach the exact product that I used for my mom. I've been using it for the past 4 years. I switched her to a different company one time in the 4 years, and I switched her right back to this company. I believe in this company. I'm not sponsored. I really believe they care about their mushrooms and the quality of their mushroom. They really understand lion's mane mushroom. Okay? All right. Bye.